Introducing the 2025 Audi A6 S-Line 40 TDI, packed with luxurious features and cutting-edge technology. With only 158 kilometers on the clock, this beauty boasts a 2-litre engine and was registered brand new in 2025. From air conditioning to satellite navigation, this car is loaded with comfort and convenience features. Safety is a top priority with anti-collision system, lane departure warning, and multiple airbags. The stylish chrome package and practical door sill protector add a touch of class. Rest assured, this Audi has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Ready to upgrade your ride? Call us now or visit centre.ie for more information on this incredible Audi A6 S-Line 40 TDI. Drive in, style and comfort today.